Hi there. Great beds, no bull. That is the original Mattress Factory difference. Quality products plus factory direct pricing equals great value. Value, 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 and value. Mattresses that last longer. Mattresses that are designed with better materials. Mattresses that are hand-built in local factories. Mattresses that cost hundreds less than the mainstream mattress brands. I know what you're thinking. This is all too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Now look, I could tell you about how our mattresses last longer because they're designed with better materials, or how our innerspring systems provide better support than the mainstream brands, but I'd rather show you. It all starts with a box spring frame. It has a very important job. It supports, well, everything. Now let's take a look at the science behind a stronger frame. You see, original Mattress Factory designs their frames with around 60% more wood. That's a lot more wood, and that is a much stronger frame. Since the frame is stronger, it's able to absorb more pressure, thus better support for the box spring, for the mattress, and for you. On top of the wood frame sits the box spring modules. The box spring modules work with the wood frame to act as a shock absorber for the mattress. Now, what you want from your box spring is to have plenty of support, but you also want it to have a little give. Mainstream brands use a rigid foundation called semi-flex, and we often joke that it takes a semi to flex it. Oh yeah, it flexed all right. The original Mattress Factory box spring takes a lot less than a semi-truck to flex it. It only takes you. Better shock absorption. Better shock absorption equals a longer lasting mattress, equaling a great value. Now on top of the box spring sits the mattress itself. Inside our orthopedic mattresses are super supportive springs to actively support you. The original Mattress Factory uses heavy gauge coils in their mattresses to provide nearly twice as much support as the mainstream brands. Now let's put this to the test. We will be placing an original Mattress Factory interlaced inner spring and our competitor's fabric wrapped inner spring over a plate of glass. See? The spring unit completely supports the weight. The glass doesn't break. Now over here we have the competitor's mattress. Their inner spring system clearly is not interlaced. I wonder what's going to happen. With the mainstream brand's fabric-wrapped inner spring, the glass does break. That's amazing. And if you could look inside of an original Mattress Factory mattress, you'd see that mattress offering end-to-end support, while mainstream brands cut their corners by eliminating the coils and replacing them with foam rails. Speaking of cutting corners, mainstream mattress brands use only foams and fibers in their upholstery layers. The original Mattress Factory uses real cotton padding. In fact, the original Mattress Factory uses an average of 18 pounds of cotton in every one of our queen-size orthopedic mattresses. And did we stop there? Of course not! We specifically designed our orthopedic mattresses with two sides rather than one. This allows you to use both sides, extending the life of your mattress. Okay, so let's add this up. Sturdier frame, real shock-absorbing box springs, stronger, more supportive inner springs, cotton padding, true end-to-end support on a double-sided mattress. Seems like a slam dunk. Could there be anything else? Actually, yes. Our handles are tied directly to our inner spring systems, which means whenever you pick up your mattress by the handles, they won't tear or break. Look, I know what you're thinking. How do we pack all of this value together for a price that's a lot lower than that of the competition? It's by selling directly to you, our customer, and eliminating the middleman. Allow me to demonstrate. This guy here, this is you, our customer. You want to buy from the mainstream brand. Whoa, whoa, you can't do that. Come on, fork it over. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no, it's gonna be a lot more than that. Come on, there we go. Okay, this is illogical. Whoa. When you buy from the original Mattress Factory, you get locally made, hand-built products, and you say bye-bye to the middleman. This is all possible because we sell our mattresses in the same place that we make them. Don't believe me? Come visit one of our factory locations and see the difference yourself. Thanks for coming along with me. I hope you learned a lot about the science behind the original Mattress Factory difference. All that's left is for you to find your perfect mattress. Happy hunting, mattress scholars. And now, it's time for my favorite part of the job. Oh, that interlaced inner spring goodness. Yeah. The original Mattress Factory. Great beds, no bull.